Hello everyone, so welcome again with the AVL tree insertion series. So in this we have seen in the previous four videos, we have seen all four rotations, RR, LL, RL and LR rotation. So individually we understood that what is individual rotations and how to do it, right? So today in this video I'm going to take a general example. So in that it might be possible that we have two or three or all the rotations together, right? So let me take example and I'll explain along with. So the values are that 63, 9, 19, 27, 18, 108, 99, 81 and 111, right? So I need to create an AVL tree for this. In examination you might get a question like that: construct an AVL tree by inserting the following elements, right, in a given order. That means this order is important. You cannot add triple one for as a first element. It should be the last, right? You cannot add 19 before 9, right? So the order is important. So let me show you step by step how to do it, right? So let us start with the first element, and the first element is 63, right? So simply I'll create a node 63, right? And if I check the balance factor of that, so balance factor of 63, it's a 0, right? Now the next element is 9. So as you can see, you need to compare this 9 with 63, right? So 9 is lesser than 63, so it will become the left child of 63. So here I am having 9 and a 63, 9 as a left child of 63. Again I need to check the balance factor. So 0 and 1 minus 0, that's a 1. See, you need to keep in mind that you need to follow the constraint of binary search tree, because AVL tree is a one kind of binary search tree along with the balanced it's a balanced binary search tree, right? So then it becomes a AVL tree, right? Now next is 19. As you can see, this 19 is lesser than 63 but greater than 9, right? So where can you put this? So 63, this will remain same, right? Now 19 is greater than 19, so it will become the right child of 9, right? Now again I need to check the balance factor. Now if I check the balance factor for a 19, the balance factor is 0. For 9 it's a 0 minus 1, so minus 1. And for 63 it's a 2 minus 0, so 2, right? So here it will get imbalanced, right? So this is my critical node, right? So when your tree becomes imbalanced, you need to balance it, right? So for balancing it, you need to do the rotation. So we have seen the 4 rotation. Now you have to identify that which rotation we need to apply over here, right? So as I explained you that you need to check the two levels from the critical nodes, that at which position the node is added, right? So if you check this, so from this critical node it's left and then right. So we need to perform LR rotation, right? So LR rotation we need to perform, and as I told you earlier, in LR rotation first we need to, there's a LR rotation, that means a double rotation, right? So in that double rotation, first we need to rotate the node after the critical node. So the node after the critical node, here it's a 9, right? So we need to rotate it towards the left, right? This 9 I need to rotate it towards the left. So if I rotate it, right, so this is my intermediate step, that's 63, and I need to rotate this So if I rotate this 9 towards the left, so 19 will become the left child of this, and here I'm having 9 as in left child, right? Now this is a first rotation. Now after that, again next is right rotation. So in that I need to rotate my critical node towards the right. So if I rotate my critical node, that is like 63 over here to the right, so what I'm getting, that 19 will become the root, 9 will become the left child, and 63 will become the right child, right? So this is what I am getting after LR rotation, right? So after an LR rotation I am getting this, right? So this step is intermediate step. If you want to show it in examination, then you can show it. If you want to skip it, then also it's fine, right? So after this I'm getting this, and again I need to check the balance factor. So for 9 it's a 0, for 63 it's a 0, for 19 it's a 0. So now it's a balanced AVL tree, right? It's an AVL tree, right? Now the next element I need to check. So the next element is 27. So again I need to check that. I need to start from 19, right? So 27 is greater than 19, right? So left will become as it is, that left child is 9, right? It will remain the same. 63 is the right child. Now I need to compare 27 with 63. So 27 is lesser than 63, so it would be at the left side of 63. So here I am having 27. Now after that again I need to check the balance factor. So balance factor for 27 it's a 0, for 63 it's a 1, for 9 it's a 0, and for 19 it's a 1 minus 2, so minus 1, right? Now if I check that, it's 0, 1 and minus 1, so it's among that only. So it's a balance, right? So I need to move ahead with the next element. So the next element is 18. So I need to check again where I can add this 18, right? So I'll compare with 19. So 18 is lesser than 19, right? So the right part will remain as it is, right? And on the left part we have 9. So now I need to compare 18 with 9, and 18 is greater than 9, right? So it will become the right child of 9, right? Again the same thing, again we need to check the balance factor. So for 18 it's a 0, for 27 it's a 0, for 63 it's a 1, for 9 it's a minus 1, right? And for 19 it's a 0, right? So this is what I get after inserting 18, right? Still there is no issue, right? So I can go ahead with the next element. So next element is 108. So I need to add 108, and as you know that 108 the is higher than 19, greater than 63, right? So I can make it as a right child of 63, right? So what I'll have 19, then 9, 18, 63, 27 and 108. Till now we don't face any issue, right? Only one time we did a rotation, right? If I check the balance factor, for 18 it's a 0, for 9 it's minus 1, 27 0, 108 0, 63 0 and 19 0, right? Still it is an AVL tree, right? Because there is no imbalance, right? Now I need to add the next element. So if I check the next element, that's a 99, right? So 99 is greater than 63, right? But it's lesser than 108, right? So I need to add it towards the left side of 108. So it will become the left child of 108. So let me just add it. This will remain same, no issue in that. If I have 63 over here, then 27 will be here, then this 108 and then 99 will be here. Right. Now if I check the balance factor, so for 99 it's a 0, for 108 it's a minus, for 108 it's a plus 1, right? Then for 27 it's a 0, for 18 it's a 0, for 9 it's a minus 1, for 63 it's a 1 minus 2, so minus 1, and for 19 it's a 2 minus 3, so again minus 1, still it is balanced, there is no issue in that, right? Now I need to move ahead with the next element, that's 81, right? So if I check 81, so it's greater than 19, greater than 63, but lesser than 108 and lesser than 99, right? So it will become the left child of 99. So what I need to do, I need to just add it. So I'm having 19 over here, then 9, then 18, then 63, then 27, then 108, then 99, and my element 81. Now if I check the balance factor, for 81 it's a 0, for 99 it's 1, for 108 it's a 2 minus 0, so it's 2, yeah. 18 it's a 0, 27 it's a 0, 9 it's a 0 minus 1 minus 1, and 63 it's a 1 minus 3, so minus 2, and 19 it's a 2 minus 4, so again minus 2, right? Now as you can see that here you have this minus 2 over here, minus 2 over here, and 2 over here, right? So 3 imbalanced places, you need to find out the critical node, and I explained you in earlier lectures that you need to find from the leaf node, right? From the leaf node you need to start checking the balance factor, and the first node where your tree start becoming imbalanced, right, that would be known as your critical node. So in this situation, this 108 is your critical node, right? Now you need to check that the newly added node is added to which side of your critical node, and you need to check the 2 levels only, right? So here as you can see that it's towards the left of left, right? So if it is a left of left, that means you need to do LL rotation, and in LL rotation it's a single rotation. Previously we did LR rotation, right? Here it's a LL rotation. LL rotation, that means a single rotation, so you need to rotate your critical node towards the right. It's opposite. If it is a LL rotation, you need to rotate your critical node towards the right. So if I rotate it, what I'll get, that is 19, 9, 16, 63, 27. Here I'll get 99, 81, and 108. How it happened that I rotate this 108 towards the right, so that will become the right child of 99, as you are able to see over here, and 99 will become the right child of 63. Now if I check the balance factor, for 81 0, 108 0, 99 0, 27 0, 63, 1 minus 2, that's a minus 1, 16 0, 9 minus 1, right? And for 19, that's a 2 minus 3 minus 1, right? Still it is your balance, right? Still it is a balanced AVL tree, right? After this LL rotation we did over here, that's a LL rotation, right? Now the last element, that is 111. So as you can see that where can I add this 111? So 111 would be added this side, right? So let me just show you. So that's the highest element I'm having, so it would be added towards the right side. So just wait a moment, I'll draw it. So 63, then 27, then 99, then 81, 108, and 111, right? Now I need to check the balance factor. For 111 it's a 0, for 108 it's a minus 1, 81 it's a 0, there's 1 minus 2, so 91, that's a minus 1, 27 it's a 0, 16 it's a 0, 9 it's a 0 minus 1 minus 1, for 63 it's a 1 minus 3, right, so that's a minus 2, and for 19 it's a 2 minus 4, so again minus 2, right. As you can see over here that again 2 times minus 2, but I told you that you need to decide the critical node. So here in this scenario critical node is 63, right, and you need to check that at which position the newly added node. You need to check the two levels from the critical node. So here is your 111 and it's towards the right of right. So here again you need a single rotation, and single rotation, that is your RR rotation, right. So in your RR rotation you need to rotate your critical node. In this scenario that's a 63, and you need to rotate it towards left, it's opposite, right. So let me show you that what we'll get after the rotation. So 19 will be here, then 9 will be here, 16 will be here. Now if I rotate my critical node 63 towards the left, right, so 99 will become the left child of 19, then the right side of 99 will remain same, 108 and 111, right. Now the 63 will become the left child of 99, right. So this will become the left child of 99. Then what about 81, right, because 81 is earlier the left child of 99, right. So I told you that in this kind of situation what you need to do is after the rotation that critical node will become the left child, right. So the earlier left child will become the right child of the critical node. So here you have 81, that will become the right child of 63, and 27 will become the left child, that is remain same, right. 27 will be the left child of 63. Now if I check the balance factor, so for 27 it's a 0, for 81 it's a 0, for 111 it's a 0, for 63 it's a 0, for 108 it's a 0 minus 1, so minus 1, for 99 it's a 0, for 16 it's a 0, for 9 it's a 0 minus 1, so minus 1, and for 19 it's a 2 minus 3, so again minus 1. So here as you can see that none of your balance factor is exceeding that values, right. It is in between that 0, 1 and minus 1 only. So now this is your answer, this is your final AVL tree, right. So yeah, this is this kind of example you may have. In this example we have seen LR rotation, LL rotation, RR rotation, combination of that, right. So priorly you might not be aware of that which kind of rotation you will get in the same with the same value only. If I change the sequence now, then also the result will be different, right. The rotation will be different, because in this sequence matters a lot, that orders matters a lot along with the numbers, right. Because if you are adding 19 before 9, then it will change the entire scenario, right. So you just practice this, take random numbers, right, and try practicing this LLRR rotation, right, and that you cannot priorly decide that which kind of rotation, right. After adding particular element at location only you will get that idea, right. So I hope you understood it. This is a general example of AVL tree, how to create AVL tree. In the future we'll see the deletion operation in AVL tree. So I hope you understood it. Thank you so much for watching this video.